Here you are. Oh, sorry, boy. You took my hand off. That's mad, that. I gotta share it out. Oh, he's chomping that. Yeah, look, try this. Oh, yeah. He wants more. Oh, shit, I dropped one. Oh, he's got it, though. Good boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, nice. God, you like these, don't you? Oh, he's got tusks. Yeah. Is that one a girl? I don't know the difference. I feel like that one's maybe a girl. Oh, cool. Yeah, you like them. You're the smallest one as well, I think. That's cool as fuck, you know. Go on then. You can have the last bunch. See you later, geezers. Right, so we're at the first waterfall. Just had to pay 200 baht foreigner price to get in there again. It's about a fiver. So check it out anyway. To be fair, it looks like a wow, nice swimming spot. Oh wow, look at the fish. Holy shit. This is so cool. Right, I can't resist it. I'm going in to swim with these. Straight up just swimming all around me. How fucking cool is that? Honestly, it's such an amazing experience. Yeah, so anyway, that was well worth the 200 baht just to see them fish. I ain't even got to the waterfall yet. So yeah, we'll resume that. So I can hear water. Think we might be close. There you go. That does look really cool actually. It was worth the walk. It's the most tourists I've seen all week on the island. They're all here. Right, we're going to jump in anyway. Oh, it's a bit sketchy. Oh, that's lush. Gonna see how close we can get. Look at that. How cool is that? swimming than me. Oh, no, currently I can't do it on foot. Swimming back. Swimming back. Try dive this time. Don't know how good of a dive that was. About good. Oh. Need a piss now. Should have went when I was in there. Right, this is a little car park, so this is definitely where it is. I just don't think I'm going to enjoy this walk. Alright, let's have a look then. This is definitely the way. Oh, yes. Maybe it isn't then. Right, the only way I see it is we're going to have to climb up. Whoa, some major spider webs. Yeah, this is confusing. Right. Socks are going to have to come off the Crocs. She's pissing down. Right, so we're going to have to go underneath the spider web. That's it, put my bag around my waist. Wow man, them spiders are nuts. Fucking hell. How are we getting up that? Look at that.
Oh yeah, nice. Found something. Oh, more spider webs though. Just everywhere. And oh my god, I nearly just stepped on a turtle. I fucking knew it.
See you later, turtle.